let's take a quick look at the disassembly and reassembly of a Tokarev magazine. Now, all of the magazines for every Tokarev variety, they all disassemble and reassemble the same way. I've got 3 different varieties here, all Yugoslavian because that's what I collect. We have, this is closest to the standard Russian one. It's a Yugoslavian M57, 7.62 by 25. And the only difference on this one is the magazines hold 9 rounds instead of 8 rounds. Otherwise, it's just your regular old Tokarev. It's going to be same as the Romanian, Russian, Chinese, Polish, all of those. Now over here on the left we have the M70 Tokarev, which is in 7.62 by 25 or 32 ACP. It's a smaller magazine. To the right we have an M88 in 9mm, also holds 8 rounds. And then this is another full-size M57 magazine. Now we actually have a 1963 Yugoslavian manual on the M57 and TT33. And if we look over on the magazine section, it has the full disassembly and it gives the orientation on how to put the magazine back together. And I have that diagram laid out right here in front of us with an already disassembled one. So first things first, let's disassemble it. On the floor plate, we have a little tab. Just going to press that with a screwdriver, pen, or whatever you got. Push it down, slide the floor plate forward, and with your thumb, this is going to be spring tension. You want to keep that down, and everything just falls out. There it is. Now, nice and easy to clean, no problem. Get the Cosmoline, get the grease out. Nice and easy. Now we look back at the previous diagram, and to reassemble it, just for orientation's sake, we have the spring here. You'll notice on one side you've got the full curve right here, and then you've got a shortened bit of spring. And that's going to go into the floor or the follower, just like that. So it fits in pretty intuitively once you get the hang of it. And then it fits into the whole magazine body as such, just like that. So let's do a quick reassemble. Orient it like that. You see it'll be follower in. Now this it slides around in there. You just gotta flip it to make it work. Slide the spring in, and now this is gonna be the most difficult part. You want to push the spring all the way down and then take your magazine plate catch. It has a little tab on the side. It's going to go at the front of the magazine, and the trick is to just shove it all the way down with the spring. See, it's catching on the side of the spring. Let's push it all the way down. There we go, as far as it can go. And then we take the floor plate, slide it on over top of the grooves. Now this one's a surplus magazine. It's been worn. On my new production magazines, when you disassemble it, the catch doesn't go in. All you gotta do, give it a hit. It's a tough magazine. They're built to last. Just give it a hit and that'll pop the pin into place. And that's all you have to do for the assembly and disassembly of a Tokarev magazine.